What is going on, people? Welcome back to another video on AJ5. And in today's video, guys, we do have an update on AMP, which has taken a pump, guys. 12% up in the last 24 hours. It did pump up quite a bit earlier on this afternoon, however has dipped a little bit, but overall it is still up, and we can see it's currently trading at 0.03575 cents. So we're going to be looking at what is next for AMP. Is it going to pump from this point onwards? Is it going to crash back down further? Looking at what is the best option right now. Is it to buy it? Is it to sell it? Or is it simply to hold on to it? And also we are going to go through its prediction as usual over the next couple of hours, days, weeks, months, and overall in 2024. How high or how low can AMP go? And is it a crypto worth investing into? But before I get into all of that stuff, guys, if you're new to the channel and haven't subscribed yet, make sure to go down and smash that subscribe button, as well as like the video, as I am trying to hit 100,000 subscribers by the end of the year. And if you guys can help me hit that target, I will be doing a cryptocurrency giveaway, which you guys can join by simply subscribing to the channel, and for a bonus entry, following me on Instagram. Link to that will be in the description box down below. So we are currently looking at the candlestick pattern chart with the Fibonacci scale, which I will be using later on in the video to do some technical analysis. But for now, I'm just going to hide this, and I'm going to bring out the usual MACD indicator to do some price prediction, as I'm pretty sure that's what most of you guys are here for. So we are looking at the daily chart, and at the top here we've got the usual purple line running across the chart, which is the SMA indicator, giving us the average value of AMP, which is here in purple. And we can see AMP is trading at a slightly higher value than the average indicator here, meaning it is performing quite well and better than expected. So let's zoom in into the 30-minute chart for the short-term traders, and then I'll move on to the hourly, daily and weekly chart for the long-term investors like myself. But before I do that, guys, just a little disclaimer. As usual, this is no financial advice. I'm not a financial advisor. Anything I say is from our own prediction and my take on this crypto, and any gains or losses you guys make, I will not be responsible for. So zooming into the 30-minute chart, we do have the blue line looking slightly bearish, heading towards the negative direction, and the orange line is looking slightly bullish, heading towards the positive direction. So essentially what we have is two lines going the opposite direction to each other. One is looking bullish and one is looking bearish. So what does this mean for AMP? An overall fluctuation in value is what is expected. So what I mean by that is, over the next 12 to 14 hours, so essentially by midday tomorrow to tomorrow afternoon, the crypto should be trading around its current price range. It is likely to drop down a little bit further and then pump back up in value. So quite volatile, but the overall outcome seems to be more on the neutral side. So it should be hovering around where the green zone the green price is here. That's around that price range where it should be trading at by midday to tomorrow afternoon. Moving on to the hourly chart, next couple of days, now we are looking way too steep. We got the blue and the orange line looking very bullish, heading towards a positive direction, meaning this is not realistic due to the fact that it's looking way too steep. The reason it's looking so steep, going in a bullish direction, is because of the major pump that took place earlier on the day. The graph thinks that it's going to keep pumping in that direction, in that pace as well, over the next 7 to 8 days. However, that is not the case. So by the end of next week, I am expecting AMP to be trading at a slightly higher value than where it is at the moment. Reason for that is the crypto has taken a little bit of a dip over the last couple of days, obviously with Bitcoin dropping from $48,000 to $40,000 earlier this morning, and that has had a major negative impact on the crypto market. However, I do believe that over the coming days it should slowly start to recover, which means AMP should also recover again, not fully recover, but on its way to recovery. So trading at a slightly higher value than where it is at the moment is what I'm expecting from AMP over the next 7 to 8 days, potentially heading past 0.004 cents in target. Moving on to the daily chart, next couple of weeks, now again we are looking quite skeptical. The blue line is looking bullish and the orange line is looking bearish. So exactly what we saw on the 30-minute chart, both lines are going in the opposite direction to each other. So what does this mean from AMP? In this case, I'm not expecting an overall fluctuation. I'm expecting an overall increase in value from AMP. I'm expecting it to hit the 1 cent target, potentially by mid-year this year. So over the next 6 to 8 weeks, guys, mid to late March 2024, it should essentially be trading around 0.007 cents in value is where I'm expecting it to be trading at. However, you guys have seen how volatile the crypto market has been since the start of this year and late last year as well. So this again may be, you know, a repeat of itself, but again, I will keep you guys updated on a regular basis and as much as I can, not just on AMP but on the crypto market, on what to expect and what to predict as well. So make sure you guys stay subscribed and turn on the bell notifications to get notified every time I upload. So this is my take on AMP, and overall in 2024 I'm expecting it to head past the 1 cent target as I mentioned in previous updates as well, and I still stick by that for now. But again, if there are any major changes to that, I will let you guys know as soon as possible. So let's get rid of the MACD indicator and bring on the Fibonacci scale. So as you guys can see, we are still trading in the red zone right now. However, to hit the green zone, we need to hit just over the 1 cent target, which I did tell you guys earlier. I'm expecting it to hit by mid-year or Q3 of 2024, and we should be trading in the green zone towards the very end of the year is what my expectations are at the moment. So going into the CoinMarketCap website here, we can see the trading volume has gone up over 1,000% in the last 24 hours, making it $59 million in trading, which is a huge increase, guys. About not even 24 hours ago, about 12 hours ago, guys, the trading volume, well, not even 12 hours, about 6-7 hours ago, the trading volume was $5 million, and it has pumped up to $59 million, guys. So that's how much trading has happened over the last couple of hours, especially due to the pump here. As you guys can see, after the pump it went up to 22 million, 27, 30, and yeah, it's still ongoing. It's still going up right now. We're seeing a lot more buyers and a lot more sellers trading on AMP right now. So this is in fact in helping the value of AMP pump up as well. So yeah, it is all going crazy with AMP right now. The trading volume is up 1,000%, which is crazy, guys. And yeah, let me know in the comment section down below your predictions, your takes on AMP. Are you guys buying it right now? Are you guys selling it? Or are you guys simply holding on to it? Comment down below. And also, how many zeros is AMP likely to get rid of in 2024? Let me know in the comment section down below, as I'm very intrigued to see how many of you guys are bullish and how many of you guys are bearish on this crypto. And on that note, I'm going to end the video here, guys. I just want to say a massive thank you to every single one of you who have been subscribing, liking, commenting, and just supporting the channel in any way or form, and especially all the subscribers out there. Thank you guys so much, as it helps me out a lot and means a lot to me, as I am trying to hit 100k by the end of the year. And at the end of the day, guys, it is free to subscribe, so why don't you go down and smash that subscribe button and like the video, and I'll catch all of you guys in my next crypto update, which should hopefully be later on today or tomorrow. Until then, take care and peace.